In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories in Wealthfront. This process is incredibly useful for organizing your finances and making the most out of the Wealthfront app. Let's get started on learning how you can seamlessly add categories and manage them effectively within your Wealthfront account. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Categories section, the heart of setting up and managing your financial goals in Wealthfront. Accessing this section is generally straightforward. Usually, you can find this option right under the support section of Wealthfront or by directly navigating to the categories page from your dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to categories. Once you're in the categories area, you might be wondering, how many categories can I have? It's important to know that Wealthfront provides flexibility, allowing users to create as many categories as they need. This ensures you can personalize your budgeting and saving goals, tailoring them to meet your financial strategy. Now let's address a common question. Is a category its own Wealthfront account? The answer is no. Categories are simply a subset within your existing accounts. They're there to help you organize and segregate funds for specific purposes, but are not standalone accounts. Another key aspect of using categories is the potential for earning interest. When you organize your funds into categories, Wealthfront treats this money as part of your cash account, meaning it can accrue interest just like other balances in your account. This is a little bonus that enhances the usefulness of categories, adding a layer of passive income to your financial management. If you've decided to transfer funds to your newly created categories, it's a simple process. You can move funds into your categories from your main cash account, ensuring your money is where it needs to be for effective budgeting. Creating and deleting categories is another vital part of category management. To create a category, begin at your cash account page. If you're starting fresh without any existing categories, you'll see an option to create one directly. However, if you already have some established categories, navigating through the View option will allow you to add new ones effortlessly. After creation, your new category will appear on your home dashboard as well as on your cash account page, making it easy to access at any time. Should you need to delete a category, simply open the category you wish to remove. On the category page, you'll find the option to delete it. It's crucial to remember that deleting a category results in losing all the transfer history within that category, and any funds present will automatically transfer back to your main cash account. Armed with these insights, you can now confidently manage your categories in Wealthfront, optimizing your financial planning with precision and ease.